So what's up, my people? It's your boy speaking here once again, and we are back in my completion of AGT video. So 2 weeks ago I made a video about this particular platform, how I invested and what I'm earning from it and everything about it. So today's video is about withdrawal. So don't worry, this wallet balance you are seeing on my account balance now is not a real thing, because I have over $100 worth of $100 in this particular platform. So first of all, before continuing the video, I have to make a withdrawal. So how do I withdraw? It's very simple. Let me first of all go over to my trade, and you can see what I earn by only using $99 in a week, in 2 weeks. So let this just load up a bit and then give me my account now. So if you go over to my trade balance now, you see that I'm currently having $158, and as you can see, my profit earned so far is already $59.79. I'm about to withdraw, and I want to use this opportunity to tell you guys, if you are under me, if you are one of my team, I have 3 people deposited on AGT. If you're one of my team, please, if you reach withdrawal, don't be greedy. Withdraw your profit and gain and be safe. You guys know how AI mining crash, and I will not like anybody to get affected like me on this Atra bot. So I'm kind of withdrawing because there is a lot of upgrading inside it. I'm just don't trust it. So one thing you need to know, once you are done, your investment time have reached. So what you have to do is to go over to your account and click on this place that says move to wallet, and it will automatically move my earnings to my wallet instantly. So as you can see, it's now showing me move to balance successfully. So as you can see, I don't have anything on my account, and if you go over to close trade, you see it right now. So it's meant for me to go ahead and withdraw my money. So if you go over to my account now, you can see that I'm now having $163.6927. So I'm now gonna go ahead and withdraw my money. So how do I withdraw? Click on withdrawal here, and it's gonna take me over to my account. So next thing I have to do is to impute the amount that I want to withdraw, $163.69. I'm gonna enter it like that, and then enter my payment password. So after entering my payment password, the next thing I have to do is to click on this place that says submit, and it's gonna load up a bit and then show me withdrawal requested, reward request received, processing order. So as you can see, I don't have anything on my wallet, and I advise you guys to do the same thing in case your duration reach. So they normally withdraw from 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. Indian time, and 10 p.m. Indian time is 9:30. So 5:30 p.m. in Nigerian time to 6:30 p.m. in Nigerian time is equivalent to that 10 to 11 p.m. in Indian time. So I'm a Nigerian and I'm using Nigerian time. So if I go over to my account now, let me go over to office to know how to know if my withdrawal have been paid. So it's not shown here. So after some minutes, although I couldn't make the video yesterday, I couldn't finish the video yesterday due to my own personal reasons. So after I made the withdrawal, after some minutes, around 30 minutes to 1 hour, I went to my account, and they showed that the money have been paid to my account. And right here on my account, you can see it on my Binance account that the deposit of $163 whatsoever was deposited on my account, and it was successful. So I withdrawn my money from AGT, and my duration has ended. I don't want to be greedy. All I have to do is to withdraw. So those of you that joined AGT with me, around 3 people that joined AGT with me to invest, once your 15 days time reach, you guys should withdraw. AGT this month is gonna make it 2 months that it started, and the 2 months duration is one of the biggest duration that people will make money from it, and it might trigger the site to shut down. So I just want to make this video to show you guys the outcome of the video I did some time ago on AGT. And just in case you want to really go ahead and do AGT, maybe this is your first time hearing about it, let me lead you to. All you need to do is to make deposit, but before you make deposit on it, let's go over to their chat to know how to earn and what to expect after the duration and how many days that they have in their duration. So the first bot is gonna last a day for you, 24 hours. The minimum startup is $10, and it's gonna give you 20 cents to 3 cents after 24 hours. So that means this Atra bot 2.1 is going to be giving you 2.3% daily with compounding. So the second one, which is the actual one that I did, is going to be giving you minimum of $20. After 15 days with your $20, it's going to give you 32. After 30 days, it's going to give you 51 extra. So I went with $100, almost $100, $99, and after the end of the day, all I got is 160, 150 something dollars plus 159 plus the referral bonus that I got. That is how I got 160 something. So that is the if you start it up with 500, you can see for yourself what you can be earning and in 15 days and what you earn in 30 days. So the same thing goes to the last bot, which is the one that a lot of people invested in. So it will give you from $100, is going to give you $34 within 120 days, and it's going to give you 1,800, almost 2,000 after 60 days. And if you kind of invested around 150, it's going to give you 9,000, almost 10,000 USDT at 60 days. That is if you invest 500 USDT. So that is how it goes, and it's very simple. All you have to do is whenever your duration expires, just go ahead and withdraw your money. So that is how my $100 generates more 60 USDT for me. I just want to make this video to show you guys how it works. And before you withdraw, you can go over to your office and make sure you link your wallet address on your account. As you can see, I linked my wallet address, and that is how my withdrawal was made easy for me. I hope you guys got value from this video. If you need more information on it, you can simply react to this post, chat me on the comment section for more details. As for now, see you guys on my next video.